Struggling to pick between Sunsama's mindful focus and Todoist's task-rushing power? Let's break it down in 90 seconds. Sunsama shines with its daily planning ritual. You drag tasks into your day, estimate their time, and even reflect at the end to boost your focus and mindfulness. Todoist is a task management powerhouse. You'll get robust features for managing projects, assigning tasks, setting reminders, and collaborating with others. Sunsama integrates with apps like Slack and Google Calendar to bring all of your work into one view to keep you on track. Todoist's collaboration tools are strong. Share projects, assign tasks, and have discussions within the app for easy teamwork. Pricing-wise, Sunsama offers a single, premium subscription that unlocks all features for those who want maximum focus. Todoist has a free plan, plus premium and business tiers, with increasing features and team capabilities. So, choose Sunsama for its mindful approach to daily planning, or Todoist if you need robust task management and collaboration. Consider your needs and get ready to boost your productivity.